The Secret World of Leonardo's Notebook. A genius in the shadows. Imagine a world where a single person could see the beauty of nature and the complexity of machines at the same time. This person was Leonardo da Vinci, a true genius of the Renaissance. He did not only paint masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and The Last Supper. Leonardo was also an inventor, scientist, and scholar. But what really made him special was his notebook. His notebook was not just a book. It was a treasure chest of ideas and dreams. Inside, he wrote down everything he saw and thought. From sketches of flying machines to studies of the human body, Leonardo's notebook contained wonders that connected art with science. His unique view of the world pushed him to explore new horizons. But what happened to these incredible notes? How did they change our understanding of art and science? What secrets lie within the pages of his notebooks? Let's delve deeper into the life of Leonardo and discover the mystery of his thoughts. The early years. Leonardo was born on April 15, 1452, in a small town in Italy called Vinci. He was the son of a wealthy notary and a peasant woman. From a young age, Leonardo showed his talent for art. His father recognized his abilities and took him to Florence to study. In Florence, he learned from the best artists of the time. He became an apprentice to Andrea del Verrocchio, a famous painter and sculptor. This was a crucial time for Leonardo. He discovered many new techniques and ideas which would later influence his own work. He was fascinated by anatomy, nature, and the mechanics of machines. During these formative years, Leonardo began to fill his notebook with sketches and notes. He observed everything around him, from the way birds flew to the patterns of water. His passion for learning never stopped, even when he became a well-known artist. What would he achieve next in his remarkable career? The Renaissance Man. Leonardo da Vinci is often called the Renaissance Man. This title is given to someone who is knowledgeable in many areas. Leonardo was not only a painter and sculptor, but also a scientist, engineer, and mathematician. His curiosity was boundless. He created designs for flying machines, tanks, and even armored vehicles. Many of these inventions were centuries ahead of his time. However, it was his detailed notes and sketches that truly showcased his brilliance. They revealed his understanding of physics, biology, and mechanics. Yet, many people might be surprised to learn that Leonardo was actually more of a thinker than a doer. Surprisingly, many of his inventions never left the pages of his notebook. He often became lost in his thoughts. Could it be that his desire for perfection held him back from actually building his creations? The notebooks revealed. Leonardo's notebooks contain more than just sketches. They include observations about life, nature, and art. He wrote in mirror writing, which means he wrote his words backward. This was likely a way to keep his ideas private. His writings explore a variety of topics, including anatomy, architecture, and the movement of water. The way he described the human body was groundbreaking for his time. Leonardo studied bones, muscles, and organs with incredible detail, much before modern anatomy came into play. His notebooks also included ideas for inventions, such as a flying machine inspired by birds. Leonardo's ability to connect art with science in his notebooks fascinated many. Some of his ideas would not be realized until centuries later. What hidden treasures can we uncover from his genius? The last years and legacy. In his later years, Leonardo moved to France, where he continued to work and write. He spent much of his time on scientific inquiries and creating art. By this time, he had become famous, and his talent was widely recognized. Leonardo da Vinci passed away in 1519, leaving behind a legacy that changed the world. Today, his notebooks are studied by artists, scientists, and historians. They continue to inspire generations, showcasing the profound connection between art and science. Despite his many achievements, the notebooks reveal that he was often critical of his own work. He believed that there was always more to learn. This humility and ambition remain inspiring to us today. How can we apply his insatiable quest for knowledge in our lives? The impact of his ideas. Leonardo da Vinci's colorful spirit and creative ideas have had lasting impacts. His notebooks provide us with insights not only into his genius, but also a window into the human mind. They show the beauty of curiosity and imagination. His approach teaches us that breaking boundaries and thinking differently can lead to new discoveries. From art to science, we can learn how to ask questions and seek answers. Are we brave enough to embrace our curiosity like Leonardo did? His notebooks are a reminder that genius is not just talent. It is the courage to explore the unknown. They hold the ideas that shaped the world, reminding us that every great invention once lived in someone's imagination. What will we create today? Have you ever felt inspired by art or science? What role does creativity play in your life? Share your thoughts.